हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। एक्चुअली आज हम स्टार्ट करेंगे एनसीईआरटी 8th मैथमेटिक्स का थर्ड चैप्टर, दैट इज क्वाड्रिलेटरल। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ बिफोर starting with the quadrilaterals, first we will see what are curves. Okay, first we will see what are curves. So students, if you join many points without lifting your pencil, this is called as curve. This is called as curve. है ना? If you join many points without lifting your pencil, this is a curve. This is a curve. This is a curve. So these are the curves. Now what is a closed curve? What is a closed curve? Actually students, what are the closed curve? Closed curve means if you make a curve with same starting and ending point, this is called as closed curve. First say it. This is my starting point and this is also my ending point. So when you draw a curve with same starting and ending point, this is called as a closed curve. This is called as a closed curve. This is called as a closed curve. Now students, now coming on the polygons. Now what are the polygons? We have discussed about the curve. We have discussed about the closed curve. So now what are polygons? So polygon are the type of closed curve which is made by the line segment. Okay? Polygons are the type of closed curve which is formed by the help of line segment. है ना? Polygon are the type of a closed curve which is formed by the line segment. For example, this is a closed curve, but it is not a polygon because it is not formed by the help of line segment. See here, beta. This is a closed curve as well as polygon because it is formed by the help of the line segment. What is a line segment? Line segment is a piece of line which have two end points. Suppose this is a line segment. This is a line segment. Line segment क्या होता है? लाइन का एक टुकड़ा होता है, लाइन का एक हिस्सा होता है जिसके दो एंड पॉइंट होते हैं, और इसी लाइन सेगमेंट की यूज से हमने ये एक क्लोज कर्व बनाया है. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज पॉलीगन. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज पॉलीगन. ओके ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ अब क्या होता है? क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ द पॉलीगन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ नंबर ऑफ साइड. सो ऐसे पॉलीगन बहुत सारे प्रकार के होते हैं. द फर्स्ट वन, द मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ साइड इन अ पॉलीगन इज नंबर 3. ठीक है, कोई भी पॉलीगन में मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ साइड कितनी होंगी? 3. तो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं 3 साइड से. अगर 3 साइड है तो दिस पॉलीगन इज कॉल्ड एज ट्राइंगल. और इसका कुछ सिंपल फिगर बनेगा लाइक दिस. दिस इज अ सिंपल फिगर ऑफ दिस पॉलीगन. इफ द पॉलीगन हैव 4 साइड, देन इट इज कॉल्ड एज क्वाड्रिलैटरल. And the simple figure of quadrilateral is like this. 5 pentagon, and the simple figure of pentagon is like this. Now students, अगर मैं पूरे बताने जाऊंगा तो वीडियो बहुत लंबी हो जाएगी. So you can prefer for this, I'm telling you, you can figure, आप अगर एनसीईआरटी में देखेंगे तो आपको एक 3.2.1 मिलेगा, तो आप इसमें जाके पूरे फिगर को देख सकते. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, वी हैव डन द क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ द पॉलीगन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ नंबर ऑफ साइड्स. नाउ वी विल डू द क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ द पॉलीगन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ शेप. सो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ शेप, द पॉलीगन्स आर ऑफ 4 टाइप्स. ठीक है, पॉलीगन्स आर ऑफ 4 टाइप्स. पॉलीगन आर ऑफ 4 टाइप्स. द फर्स्ट वन इज convex polygon. Okay, concave. The second one is convex polygon. The third one is regular polygon. And the fourth one is irregular polygon. Okay, these are the four types of polygon. Now student, you can pause the video and you can copy this. Okay, now the first one is concave polygon. Now what is a concave polygon? Concave polygon, let's see, concave polygon. तो ऐसा पॉलीगन जिसका कोई भी एक एंगल 180 डिग्री से बड़ा, a polygon whose any one of the angle of the polygon is greater than 180, that it is called as concave polygon. For example, I'm drawing a polygon like this. This is a closed curve which is made up of line segment, so it is a polygon, and its one angle is greater than 180. So this is a concave polygon. One more example. This angle is more than 180. So this is a concave polygon. Now students, coming on the convex polygon. Coming on the convex polygon. Convex polygon. Convex polygon. Now what is a convex polygon? Convex polygon is a polygon in which convex polygon is a polygon in which all the angles of polygon is less than 180. तो सारे एंगल यहां पर 180 से लेस रहेंगे. ओके, सो suppose this is a polygon, all the angles are less than 180. Okay, this is a polygon, all the angles are less than 180. This is a polygon, all the angles are less than 180. So the convex polygon is a polygon whose all the angles are less than 180. Now coming on the regular polygon. Regular polygon. Now what is a regular polygon? Regular polygon. Now what is a regular polygon? A polygon whose all the angles and all these sides are equal. The length of the side and the measure of the angles are equal. Okay? Length of all side and measure of all the angles are equal. Now suppose this is a equilateral triangle. इसमें सारी साइड इक्वल है एंड सारे एंगल्स जो हैं वो इक्वल है. हाँ स्टूडेंट्स, एक नोट है, अगर आप किसी भी साइड में, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल मैंने बोला कि एक ये पॉलीगन है और अगर मैंने कुछ ऐसा कर दिया, मतलब ये साइड जो है वो इक्वल है, और अगर मैंने ऐसा कर दिया तो मतलब ये साइड जो है वो इक्वल है. तो इनका हम यूज करते हैं जहां भी हमको इक्वल साइड्स का इंडिकेशन करना होता है, और इसको हम यूज करते हैं जहां भी इक्वल एंगल्स का इंडिकेशन करना होता है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ सी, सो दिस इज द रेगुलर पॉलीगन. नाउ व्हाट इज द इरेगुलर पॉलीगन? तो इरेगुलर पॉलीगन आप लोग जान लेते हैं, जान सकते हैं, मतलब इरेगुलर पॉलीगन. Irregular polygon students. Now what is irregular polygon? Regular polygon में all these sides, length of all these sides and measure of all the angles are equal, but in irregular polygon the length of all the sides and the measure of all the angles are different. Okay, so this is a irregular, I say irregular polygon. All the three sides are different and measure of all the three angles are different. Okay, so this is an irregular polygon. Now coming on the diagonals of the polygon. Now what are the diagonals, students? Diagonals. Coming on the diagonals. So diagonal is a line diagonal is a line which joins two alternative sides. ठीक है, या नॉन कंसेक्यूटिव साइड, ठीक है, या नॉन एडजेसेंट साइड, ठीक है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल a line which joins two non-adjacent side, non-adjacent vertex. See here, suppose this is a quadrilateral. Now ये वर्टेक्स और ये वर्टेक्स कंसेक्यूटिव है, मतलब एडजेसेंट है, मतलब आजू बाजू है, ठीक है. बट दिस वर्टेक्स एंड दिस वर्टेक्स इज नॉट एडजेसेंट, ये आजू बाजू नहीं है, ये ऑपोजिट है. तो इसको ज्वाइन कर देते. सो दिस लाइन इज अ डायगोनल. दिस एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो नॉट एडजेसेंट, सो दिस लाइन इज ऑल्सो अ डायगोनल. नाउ this and this is adjacent, so we cannot join this, but this and this is not adjacent, so we can join this. So this line is also diagonal. This and this we can also join, so this line is also a diagonal. So diagonal is a line which joins two non-adjacent side, two non-adjacent side. So this is a diagonal. Okay, now coming on the sum of angles of a polygon. So sum of all the angles of polygon. So students, we have a formula. To find the sum of all the angles of the polygon, that is equals to n minus 2 into 180. Now student, what is n here? What is n over here? So n is the number of sides. Suppose we can try this formula on triangle. Triangle have three sides. Triangle have three sides. Triangle have three sides. So n is equals to 3. Put the formula. So n की जगह क्या रखेंगे? 3 minus 2 in the brackets into 180. So 3 minus 2 is 1 into 180. Now 180. So we know that sum of all the angles of the triangle is 180. So this formula is correct. Okay, next one, a quadrilateral. So quadrilateral has four sides. Just apply this formula. So n is equals to 4 because number of sides is equals to 4. Now put this formula. So n, what is n over here? N is equals to 4 minus 2 into 180. So just 4 minus 2 is 2 into 180. So this is 360. So we know that sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral is 360. Another example of a pentagon. Now pentagon, student, pentagon. So pentagon have 5 sides. Now n is equals to 5 over here. So apply this formula, n minus 2 into 180. So n is 5 over here, minus 2 into 180. So n minus 2, 5 minus 2 is 3 into 180. So 18 3s are 540. So the sum of all the angles of a pentagon is 540 degree. Okay.